So today we're going to be using my GPU on my brother's computer because I want to know how many watts do I need for my new build. Either 850 watts or 1000 watts. And we're going to be using this energy usage meter. Now we have everything connected to the meter. So as of right now, not doing anything, it's consuming about 200 to 300 watts. But let's do a benchmark test. Man, everything just looks so nice. And we're consuming about 400 to 500 watts. So we are done, and the maximum wattage we were able to get was 590 watts. So I think 850 watts power supply will be more than enough. But yeah, this thing really comes in handy if you don't know how many watts you're gonna be consuming on your build. And don't forget to follow for more helpful videos like this, guys.